So we all know that the market has recently changed, but here's something really interesting. Our business model as a mortgage brokerage hasn't really been affected. And here's why. For the last few months, our business has been fueled by refinance applications, existing homeowners looking to renegotiate their mortgages. But you would think with a change in the market, all of these pre-approvals would start to reemerge, and that hasn't yet happened. So we've been reaching out to these clients and telling them two key things. Number one, rates are increasing, okay? So if they were pre-approved last year or the year before, it was likely at, say, a rate in the ones or the twos. Their new pre-approval will be in the threes. It will soon be in the fours. That brings me to the second most important point. Currently, buyers are being qualified at a stress test rate of 5.25%. However, as rates increase, buyers need to be qualified at the contract rate plus 2%. Now, if a buyer receives an interest rate of, say, 4% in the coming months, they're going to have to qualify at 6%. So not only will they get a higher interest rate than they had before, they may also qualify for less. So my message to you is this. If you've been working with buyers in the last 12 to 24 months and they were pre-approved and they want to go out and start shopping for a new home, they need to be re-qualified. Number one, for a new interest rate, but number two, to ensure that they don't qualify for any less. Now, if you take a look at this rate sheet here, you'll see that fixed rates across the board now are over 3%, and they're starting to move towards 4%, okay? Now, that's for fixed rates. Variable rates remain very, very low, but as I've mentioned to you in past weeks, most buyers don't want variable rates because they know they're going to increase this year, right? So if we look specifically at fixed rates, you'll see that they're all in the threes. And as they start to move closer to the fours, it's going to affect how much buyers qualify for. So if you have buyers that are looking to get back into this market, my advice to you is make sure they get re-qualified. And if you have questions or if you want us to speak to these buyers, just reach out to us at mortgagewellness.ca.